What's going on, Gunners? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're from. Boom. More work on Project Driver today. Got my boy Bossed on 40 with me. Got Trappy again. And we already started stripping the interior. So we're not cutting this car. All we're simply doing is just removing the sound deadening and cleaning the interior. So I'm going to run and go get some dry ice real quick. The motor is ready to go in, but we're not in a rush to put it in. It'll probably go in like 5 minutes, but whatever. We'll keep you posted throughout this entire video. I'll show you guys inside the mess that we have and how well we end up cleaning it up. So without further ado, Project Driver is definitely on the way. Let's gun. All right, now. All right, guys. All right, guys. All right. All right, so. All right. All right, guys. Yep, all right. All right, guys. All right. All right, so. Okay, boys. You got something to say, 40?
Yeah. Hi.
Okay, boys and girls. Interior is out. Front seats, all the seatbelt stuff. We'll vacuum it in a little bit. Yo! What happened? This guy always finds something. This guy always finds something. So the interior is out, a little bit of a wiring mess, but we're going to clean all that up nice and neat. It looks like this side of the sound deadening is out. It just have to be the passenger side and the back. So the first thing we'll do is we'll vacuum, clean up as much as we can before adding the dry ice. And I don't think this one's going to need much. Now remember, we're not cutting this car. So we're keeping it full weight and we're just taking off, stuff that we can simply unbolt. But yeah, I've got some suspension on the way. I've got some injectors on the way. I got a power steering AC delete kit. But it's definitely not being cut. This one is not going to get cut. Yeah, so we went ahead and vacuum cleaned the car. So now we're just left with the sound deadening that weighs a couple of pounds. We're just going to get that stuff to remove. We went and got 11 pounds of dry ice at Chili Willie's. And that's it. Trap will lay it down. Try to move that wiring up a little bit. Let me open the trunk too. So this is just a technique just to make life easier. So the rear really doesn't have too much. It looks like they tried to remove it right there too. We'll just lay some on top, but the inside is the main concern. So you start off with the big block right there. There's probably some people that are new to the channel. I'd hit it with the the rubber mallet ain't gonna do it. Hit it with the ball. Hit it with the ball. There it is. And you just spread it out and just leave it laying down. Remember, we still got the back. Actually, 11 pounds was perfect. Obviously, he's gonna move it around. It's gonna start lifting it up. We'll leave that in there till it melts. And be good to go. Your orders are on the way. Your orders are on the way. Please pay attention. Inside the brim of the hat, is your raffle ticket. The tracking will be updated by tomorrow. All your orders are shipped out. Please listen to me carefully. Inside the brim is your raffle ticket. Do not email, do not DM saying I cannot find my raffle ticket. It is in each and every single box. Please take your time. Keep gunning and good luck to everyone. I wonder how many people are mad at this video. Okay guys, so a little brief intermission. I inserted the clip before this scene here, but we're back at the car. Trap got the rubber mallet and we let the dry ice do some work. Yeah, Trappy. Just bang on it. Yep, that's it. Lift up that whole piece. You can lift up that whole piece now. Yeah, buddy. Out of there. Dry ice, man, it works every time. So right now we're literally just washing all the door jambs. Everything in here that had all that nasty gunk, it's all cleaned. Probably go over it one more time with some soap, but we simply just use some purple power, some brushes and water. Got all these door jambs really nice and clean. Some people might say, hey, you know what, you're not going to see that, but yeah. Little water footage right here, a little water pond. But we're literally scrubbing the whole inside of the car. We're not worried so much about the wiring because we're probably going to get rid of this harness. So there's literally nothing that we can damage. So why not just wash the interior fully? We're taking our time, man. It's not a race, it's a marathon, you know? Well, boys, she's all clean. So I don't think I'm going to put the motor in today. I think I'm just going to leave it right where I'm at. A couple of things I need help with. I'm looking for 15-inch slips. 15-inch slipstreams. Regular rotor ones. I don't want to be a hero. I need a black carpet. I think I'm getting an interior harness, dash harness from someone. Hold on, let me turn this camera around. Nice and clean in here now. I think I'm getting a dash harness from a gunner. I'm getting an engine harness from a gunner. We got some motor mounts in the car for a gunner. Got some headers from a gunner. They've really helped out a lot. If anyone can help me out, I'm not looking for it for free. A lot of people want to give me some stuff for free. But if you guys want to contribute to Project Driver, just let me know, man. Ultimately, this car is strictly made for you. And get some nice GoPro mounts in here. Start teaching you guys the basics. So, yeah, man, I'm excited. I bought some suspension. I bought some injectors, some power steering removal kit. And I've got a K-Pro. The motor, the long block, the transmission, the clutch is all together. So I have axles. It's not going to take much more to finish this car. I'd also like to get some maybe some LS cloth seats also. Not a big fan of leather. LS cloth seats will do it. If anyone has anything they want to donate, my P.O. box is in the description. I know you guys are excited to participate and join into building this car, so I'll allow you the opportunity to do it. Because I'm not really that type of... I had this discussion on my Instagram. I do so much for my followers, I really don't expect too many things back from them, you know what I mean? So, but I know they want to hold me down, and I know they want to participate more. So, I don't know what I'm saying right now. It's just, I don't know how to ask for things for free. But, I don't know, man. What do you guys think about Project Driver? How's it coming out? Am I doing somewhat of a good job? I hope you're learning a lot from this channel also. But, yeah, that's enough for now. I think I'm going to conclude this video. We basically just showed you that we cleaned everything up. I hope you picked up some stuff on the dry ice thing if you're just joining the channel. But I love you guys. Thank you so much. All your orders are on the way for the OREN giveaway. And thank you for all staying 10 toes. I appreciate you. Keep going.